In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a password on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to update an existing page password, create a new one, or simply review the settings for added security, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Squarespace is a powerful platform for building and managing websites, and understanding how to manage page passwords is essential for keeping your content secure and exclusive. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. When you're on the login page, you'll want to use the Continue with Google option. Just make sure to select the Google account that's linked to your Squarespace site. This is important because using the wrong account will mean you won't have access to your website. If you don't yet have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website dashboard. Now, depending on what you see, you can either click the Go to Your Website link directly from your account page or locate the Dashboard Overview section, which will also guide you to your website. Either option will work, so just choose the one that appears on your screen. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Pages section. You can find this in the main menu or directly within the dashboard interface. Click on it to access the list of pages on your site. Next, locate the specific page you want to manage. Once you find it, look to the right-hand side of the page name. You should see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the page settings for the selected page. In the Settings panel, scroll down until you find the password field. If a password is already set for this page, you'll see it displayed here. If no password is currently set, this is where you can create a new one. This field is crucial because it allows you to control who can access this page. Setting a password ensures that only authorized individuals can view your content, which is especially helpful if you're sharing sensitive information or creating exclusive pages for select users. Once you've located the password field, you can either review the current password or update it as needed. To set a new password, simply type it into the field and remember to choose something secure that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. This step is essential for maintaining the privacy and exclusivity of your page content. After making any changes, be sure to save your settings. And that's it. In this video, we covered how to access and manage page passwords on Squarespace. You've learned how to log in, navigate to your website dashboard, locate the page settings, and update or create a password for added security. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.